a turtle. I've got a piece of bread here that I want to feed some ducks. But I don't see any ducks around. Oh wait, I see something that is bigger than a duck, and it is white in color. Can you guess what it is? If you want to know, I can show you how to make it. All you need is a piece of square paper. Now follow me. Did you guess it right? Yes, it is a swan. Aren't they beautiful? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.